Hello. So, here we are. I guess this is kind of a website review or something that might be useful for people learning to program in with ActionScript or even Hex like I am. It's called Wonder FL. And if you look up here, you can see the URL is wonderfl.net. So what is WonderFL? It's kind of a community site where you can make Flash programs on this website and share it. And you can also sort of fork other people's code. That is, copy it and then make your own changes and original thing. It's kind of like GitHub and that kind of stuff. Source control, this and that. Yeah, here's a little diagram of the forking. And but what's really cool about it is, like, since you can do that, you can really learn a lot of cool things about coding in Flash. So, for example, there's this game here, and you can just like play it right next to it. And oh, I didn't see what the controls were. Oh, there it is. Yeah, arrows. And I mean, this looks very simple, but I think there are a lot of really great fundamentals going on here that we can learn from if you look at the code and make like this Pac-Man game. So yeah, that's how that goes, and I guess you can also put it full screen if you want, like that. But anyways, whoa, let's go back. But yeah, you can look at all the code here and see how they're making things, and yeah, there's a lot of really great code on here that you can learn from. I'll show you two of my favorites. You can set up an account and like subscribe to people. One that I enjoy is Grapefruit. He made the game Rimmed Capsule that I talked about in a previous beta. And yeah, he has a few things here. I guess some of it's forked from other people's stuff, but he has some games in here, a little Sokoban game, and I think he made a game in under like 40K or something. Let's see if I can find that. I think that was him. I hope it was him and not someone else that I'm confusing. But anyways, yeah, that's one person that I follow. I only follow two people, but the other guy, or person, I don't know if it's a guy or not, is Abba. He has a lot of games, see 100 codes, and lots of different types of games, shooters, kind of weird puzzly things. I was playing one earlier where it was like, yeah, I'm Frontline, where, uh-oh, it might be kind of loud. Let me unplug it here. But you should still be able to hear it. Hopefully it's not going to overpower my voice. But like this kind of puzzly game where you control a guy and there are green and red tanks coming in from either side, and you have to try to get them to destroy each other. Let's see here. Yeah, and yeah, just kind of dodging, stay alive, and they will only aim at you, but so like to destroy the people on the other side, you have to sort of stand in a way that's in between them, but not get hit yourself. And there's an interesting strategy where you kind of let one side start winning a lot, and then, because as you can see there's like little numbers above their head, I think that's the point value. So if you let them win, their point value will. Oh, I died. But their point value will go up. But anyways, yeah, it's a pretty fun game. And it's all the code is right here. And if you also notice, like he doesn't. I don't believe with this you can embed any graphics. So it also might be a good way to learn how to procedurally create graphics and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I guess that's it. A little site here that has loads of good code you can steal. I mean, learn from. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, that's WonderFL. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I'm not sure if it's because I'm in Japan, but it's full of Japanese, but it's still pretty easy to follow because there's still a lot of English. And yeah, I mean, this is all English here, so I'm thinking maybe it's only partially translated, either from or to Japanese or English. But yeah, that's WonderFL. You should check it out.